Jai Shri Ram. This is one more shloka from Mukundamala, which I love. Krishna Tvadiya Padapankaja Panjarantam Adyaiva me Vishatu Manasa Rajahamsaha Prana Prayana Samaye Kapavata Pittaihi Kantavarodhana Vidhau Smaranam Kutaste. Which means, O Krishna, let my mind, the royal swan of my mind, enter the cage of your lotus feet now itself. Because at the moment of death, my throat will be obstructed with all phlegm, wind, and bile, and all that. It will be so choked, I will not be able to take your name. So, Krishna, I will not be able to remember you also. Therefore, please, Krishna, let my mind, the royal swan of my mind, enter the cage of your lotus feet. Krishna Tvadiya Pada Pankaja Panjarantam Adyaiva me Vishatu Manasa Rajahamsaha Pranaprayana Samaye Kafavata Pittaihi Kantavarodhana Vidhau Smaranam Kutaste. Hey Krishna, Jai Shri Ram.